She's old now. We don't need her anymore.
After all I sacrificed, this is what I deserve?
We all know that Grok is very expensive, right? Grok costs. But just like I said in my previous video, I showed you another method that you can use to get your video just like the way you are getting Grok. If you have not seen it, this is it here. And today I'm going to be showing you another method to use to get your video the way Grok was giving us for free. Then, if this is what you like to see often, my name is Vibe with Deborah. Click on the subscribe button so you will get notification when my video pops up. So let's go into my studio so that I will tell you how to use this second method. Yes, and if you have not seen the first method, again, this is it. Ngwanu, let's go. Welcome to my studio once again. So before we get to the app, so I want to tell you the basic things we are going to do for us to achieve this beautiful result. One, we need ChatGPT, and the second one, we need the app itself. Click on this place. So when you got into ChatGPT this day, you open this place. Then I want to we're going to type in, I need a 20-second well detailed script of a betrayed mother, a mother's betrayal. So this is what he has given to us. So daughter and mother. I need a ultra realistic image of both of them sitting in the living room. So now it is creating the image for us. So let's wait for a while and let's get the image ready. So I don't know why it's giving me these two image. We said the mother and daughter, so I don't know why it's giving me this. So because for the purpose of the training, so we're going to just stick to this image. So this is what it generated, and I'm going to save it. So this is it. So we'll just copy the script together. Then when we copy it together, we'll now go to the main app to generate this. So the next app we're going to go to is this Gen V. This Gen V, you can download it on Play Store or Apple Store. So when you have done that, we have gone to ChatGPT to print our image, and we have gotten our image here. Then we'll click here. So this is how it looks like. AI Grok, 6 seconds, 72, 9, whichever one you want. If it's this, we're going to click here because it gave us 16.9. So we're going to click here, and we are done. So we come here and click on the video that we want to upload. This is the video we want to upload. Then I copied the script. So now we are going to put son wearing black shirt just to indicate, mother wearing blue gown. Excuse me. So I don't want you to be saying nonsense. That's why I'm removing all those things that are not necessary. So now that I've said it, you just generate. So now it's generating the video for us. So let's wait and see what the results will be. We have gotten 100%. So let's see our video.
She's old now. We don't need her anymore.
After all I sacrificed, this is what I deserve?
So you can see that we don't need Grok, and this is free. From Gen V, you can get the exact thing on Grok. So now I want to save it. So it has saved to your gallery. So this is the second method for you to do your image to video without breaking the bank, without paying for anything, but just unlimited. So I want you to just like, comment, and share to more than 10% of my video. Have you tried it before? What is the disadvantage and what is the advantage? Have you tried it before? Is it superb? Do you like it? Have you tried it before? What is your opinion? So see you in my next video once again. Bye.